Hello beautiful people, today we are going to learn AS2 valuation of inventories. First we shall discuss about the non-applicability, is that things regarding which the valuation of inventories are not applicable as per accounting standard 2. These are as follows. Work in progress in construction business including directly related service contracts, and work in progress of service business like consulting, banking, etc. Shares, debentures, and other financial instruments held as stock in trade, inventories like livestock, agriculture and forest product, minerals, etc. Next, we shall jump into the valuation of inventories, which is the exact topic that is to be discussed. Inventories are to be valued at cost or net realizable value, which can also be said as NRV, whichever is less. So let's discuss what is cost. Cost equals sum of purchase cost, conversion cost, and other cost. These are costs which is related to inventories that we purchase and convert into the current position, and certain other variable and fixed costs. Now let's discuss the second thing, that is net realizable value, otherwise known as NRV. NRV equals the difference between estimated selling price in the ordinary course of business and the estimated cost necessary to make such sale. Here the estimated selling price is the future price which may or may not differ in future, and the estimated cost is also an estimation based on future which may or may not differ. The next important thing is disclosure requirements. In case of disclosure requirements, we have already studied in AS1 disclosure of accounting policies regarding what are the things that are to be disclosed. So let's see the same for AS2, that is for valuation of inventories, what are to be disclosed. First, accounting policy adapted in inventory measurement. Cost formula used. Classification of inventory such as finished goods, raw material, work in progress, and store space, etc. Carrying amount of inventories carried at fair value less sale cost. Amount of inventories recognized as expenses during the period or year. Amount of any written down value of inventories recognized as expense, and if subsequent reversal if any. So these are the disclosure requirements. If you are looking into each one by one, you will know they have specific things to do with the user. Is that the user, we should have to always think that when it comes to disclosure, user is the hero. So we have to provide with all the requirements that the user should know for making good decision. So that are the important things about accounting standard 2, valuation of inventories. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching. May God bless you all.